Meet Hirosei's award-winning ZE150HV series, a compact, high-voltage wire-to-board connector designed for EV and HEV powertrain applications. Supporting 1000-volt AC/DC, 10 amps per pin, and operating temperatures up to 125 degrees Celsius, the ZE150HV series delivers safe, reliable power connections in demanding automotive environments. Key features of the ZE150HV series include support for 1000-volt AC/DC, 10 amps per pin, and operating temperatures up to 125 degrees Celsius for demanding high-voltage applications. A compact 4.5mm pitch design with proprietary rib technology that optimizes creepage and clearance distances for high-voltage performance. A dual-spring, 3-point contact structure that maintains stable electrical connections under severe vibration. A connector position assurance mechanism that helps prevent incomplete mating and improves high-voltage safety. Compliance with IEC 60664 requirements supporting reliable operation in harsh automotive environments. Ideal for high-voltage power connections, the ZE150HV series is used in EV and HEV powertrains, battery packs, inverters, converters, and onboard chargers, where safety, vibration resistance, and compact design are critical. Stay ahead of the curve with the ZE150HV series connector. For deeper insights, visit and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hirosei Electric, connecting the future.